So we're walking here in the monastery trying to find a like game to catch, and little baby owl here like fell of a nest. Stop. Yeah, and he's trying to, I caught him. Right now we're gonna see where is the nest. Maybe I can put it in the nest. So guys, we found little baby owl with this guy, but he didn't touch it, so she fell of a nest. I don't know what to do with her. Probably leave her here. Her ears are okay, I guess. There's feathers from mama. That's a baby owl. That's a red-tailed hawk. I don't know where's the nest, man. Should be somewhere here. I don't see any birds here though. I don't see any parents. I don't know. I gave him some chicken. I have some tidbits. Gave him some to eat. But that's pretty much it.